Hello and welcome class 7 students. This is another class of exercise 3 arithmetic portion of the revision lesson. Here I will solve some more problem sums of exercise 3. In these problem sums I am going to solve the HCF and LCM of the fractions. In my previous class I have solved only the numerical problems of HCF and LCM of fractions. Today I will start the problem sums. So to begin with the first problem sums that exercise 3 is having is sum number 21. Yes, the first problem sums is starting from sum number 21 of exercise 3. So we will solve that problem sums first. So exercise 3, sum number 21 is the first problem sum of the exercise, where it is given that the circumference of the two wheels of a car are 6 whole number 3 by 14 decimeter and 8 whole number 1 by 18 decimeter. Find the least distance travelled by the car when the two wheels rotate whole number of times. You have to find out the least distance travelled by the two wheels. The measurement of the wheel of a car is given. The circumference of the two wheels is given. So write down the circumference of the two wheels is equal to 6 whole number 3 by 14 and 8 whole number 1 by 18 decimeter. This is given. The circumference of the two wheels are given. You are asked to find out the least distance covered by them. The least distance covered by them. Now, what we will do is, whenever some least distance or some lowest number or some smallest number is asked to you to find, you will do the LCM of the fractions, and whenever any greatest number or highest fraction is required in the question, then you have to find out the HCF. Here in this sum, if you notice carefully, least distance indicate that you have to find out the LCM of these two fractions. So please first write down LCM of 6 whole number 3 by 14 and 8 whole number 1 by 18 is equal to 87 by 14 if you change it into proper fraction, and 145 by 18. 145 by 18. This is what is coming. Now you have to do the LCM of these two. You have to do the LCM of these two numbers. So how will you do the LCM of these two numbers? You have to do LCM of the numerator by HCF of the denominator. So here I am writing LCM of 87 and 145 and HCF of 14 and 18. LCM of 87 and 45 is, if you do the LCM of 87 and 145, you are going to get 29, because 29 into 3 is 87 and 29 into 5 is 145. So LCM is equal to 29 into 3 into 5, that is 29 into 15, which becomes 435. And HCF of 14 and 18 is 2, because 2 is the only highest common factor between 14 and 18. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 nines are 18. So 2 is the common So the fraction will be, or the LCM of the fraction is equal to, LCM is equal to 435 by 2. You can change this into mixed fraction and that will be 270 half dm. So answer will be, find the least distance travelled by them, the wheels. The least distance travelled by the wheels is 270.5 dm. In this way, you are going to solve the sum of sum number 21. Now very quickly, we will move on to another sum, that is sum number 23. Sum number 23 we are going to solve. This is sum number 21 and now we are going to solve sum number 23. In sum number 23, it is given that, the least number, what is the least number that must be divided by? One whole number 3 by 4, one whole number 5 by 16, and 6 whole number 1 by 8. What least number must be divided to this? What least number must be divided by this so that the quotients are whole numbers? What least number is divided by this? Now least number indicates LCM. So you are required to do the LCM of one whole number 3 by 4, one whole number 5 by 16 and 6 whole number 1 by 8, which means LCM of 7 by 4, 21 by 16 and 49 by 8. That means LCM of 7, 21 and 49 by HCF of 4, 16 and 8. Now separately you do the LCM of 7, 21 and 49. Into 7, that is 147 by 4, 8 and 16. So 4, we are getting 4 as the common factor. So 4 will be the HCF. 147 by 4 will be the answer. You can change this into mixed fraction and make it like 4 3s are 12 and 27, 4 6 are 24, 36 whole number 3 by 4 is the least number. This is the answer and this is the least number which when divided by these three numbers are leaving one whole number as the answer. So this will be the answer. This is the list, this is the required least number which is when divided by these three numbers gives whole number as the quotient. This is the answer. So today up till this, in my next class I will come up with more problem sums of HCF of and LCM of fractions and the problem sums, relevant problem sums of exercise 3. Till then, goodbye.